Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to a brand new... Oh, look at this guy! Get in your lane! Boys and girls, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I got a message from a subscriber who lives in Calgary, down in Mahogany, so southwest, if you know where Calgary is. His bike was stolen, man. So a little public notification: if you've seen an 05 CBR stolen in front of the driveway, and I have the video. If you guys want to see it, I'm going to post it right now. Check it out.
Look at these two fine gentlemen going for a nice stroll at 4 in the morning. They see the bike, and watch what happens next. Now they come back to the bike and see if it has an alarm, check that the steering is locked, and then they move it onto the street to see if it'll go off. This is kind of a common thing if you watch YouTube videos. See, he moves it, and now he knows there's no alarm. He'll just put it into the street now, make sure no one kind of sees what he did. It looks like a parked bike on the street, and they just both walk away like nothing happened. Now, for any bike owner, this is so painful to watch, especially if it's your own bike getting loaded up into the back of a truck. It's getting damaged. They don't even care. Like, just watch these guys struggle. It's hilarious how they can't even pick a bike up. We'll switch cameras here to the neighbor's camera because it's a little more HD quality. And check it out, guys. I mean, it's heartbreaking. Man, they just slide it in on its side. It's not even stood up. It's just laying on its side. They jump in the truck and they peace out. I'm guessing around the block, around the corner, so they can close the tailgate, maybe put it upright, make it not look so shady, you know. But man, this oh, look at this. Someone's pride and joy is going away, and nothing you can do about it. So the truck looks very similar to this guy here. It's like a 98 to 2000 Dodge 1500 or 2500. They couldn't quite tell from the video. It had some LED stuff on it, and the bike was an 05 black CBR. Looks like this in this picture here. Had some flush mount, some small mods, typical mods, you know, you do to a sport bike.
In just 9 minutes, man, that bike was taken. The guys cased it, checked it out, and then they brought the truck in, backed it up, threw it in there, man. It just sucks. You can't keep yourself outside without someone jacking it, man. Little head nods. If you guys see anything about the bike or the truck, send me a DM on Instagram. Is probably the easiest place to get a hold of me, or I'll put the guy's email in my description so you guys can talk to him. It sucks, man. Absolutely sucks. Feel for the guy, I really do.